Focusing on patients' medical needs has always been the top priority for CHUGAI Group. As the company progressed into the 21st century, CHUGAI became a member of the Roche Group, and 9 years later, a research subsidiary was founded. With the official launch in 2012 and support from various partners, CHUGAI PHARMABODY Research soared to become a pioneer in innovative drug discovery, while staying true to its mission of improving patients' lives around the world. Through collaborations with like-minded partners in the local and international scene, CPR has contributed to the community by sharing our expertise in innovative pharmaceuticals, especially in the search for antibodies against the dengue and COVID-19 virus.
The innovation that's in CPR at the moment and the staff will bring medicines to bear on things that we thought were impossible. We're trying to treat very difficult diseases. We're trying to prevent disease even. And I think one of the great innovations we're looking for now is to really work with the human body to help it heal itself, to cure itself. And this is one of the most exciting areas that we're involved in. Everybody kind of works together. Also giving people a chance to succeed individually. We need that sort of inspiration that comes from discovering things. And then a kind of focus, to be serious about what we're doing. We're trying to make new medicines. They need to be great new medicines, and they need to really save people's lives, help people. I think this work opens up whole new areas for prevention and new treatment that can really transform human health.
Over the last 20 years, Singapore has established a strong healthcare ecosystem. Specifically, the biopharma industry is a key contributor to our economy, and CHUGAI PHARMABODY Research is one of the largest corporate R&D centers in Singapore's biopharma industry. It has grown to 150 employees over the years, and that is considered substantial. CPR collaborates actively with the public and private biomedical research ecosystem and provides talent development and job opportunities for local research scientists and engineers. EDB supported CPR in manpower training to deepen and expand their capabilities in different therapeutic modalities. I would like to congratulate CPR on their 10th anniversary and certainly look forward to continuing the strong partnership with them in Singapore.
In order to take the a lead molecule into a product, we need to collaborate with industries such as CHUGAI PHARMABODY to make it into a product. Developing a treatment for dengue infection has been very challenging, and this is because of antibody-dependent enhancement. My laboratory identified antibodies that happen to be able to neutralize all 4 serotypes of the dengue virus. And through the introduction of Sir David, the chairman of CHUGAI PHARMABODY, we started to work with CHUGAI scientists. And the CHUGAI scientists were able to use their very sophisticated engineering technology to convert our lead into a very potent neutralizing antibody that is able to neutralize all forms of viruses. It's been a very inspiring experience working with the CHUGAI scientists. I find that CHUGAI scientists always aim for getting the highest quality of work and data. I believe the work A-Star and CHUGAI do together directly impact human life for the better. And this is what drives our research every day.
We got this opportunity that we have connected to Dr. Cheng Yi's lab. So they have the expertise in the dengue research. Dr. Cheng Yi have identified a human antibody from a patient infected with dengue disease. CHUGAI bring in our antibody engineering technology, so we can engineer this unique antibody that discovered by Dr. Cheng Yi, so that this antibody could have a strong neutralizations against all 4 serotypes, not just 1 or 2. Together, we bring the synergies to these collaborations, and eventually we successfully developed the drug candidate. Having the opportunity to collaborate with the research institute or the academic group is actually give us more access to good drug targets and good drug candidates. I have been with CPR for 9 years. Yeah, and I never thought that I would be a scientist in the drug discovery. I know how devastating it was for for the patient and also for the family when there was no drug there to actually help your loved one. Little by little, we are contributing to the benefit and welfare of the patients around the world.
Now, we live in this era where there's a lot of information. This is called the digital age. And everyone is trying their best to be innovative. In CPR, there is this commitment from the management and also from the bench scientists, the resource of time, money, and also effort on the bench to deliver innovative products. And that is why I can feel there's a commitment from the top all the way to the bottom. And I'm really appreciative of it.
I started with an autoimmune disease project, and that lasted for a few months, and once that completed, I actually started on a new project called the Dawn Project, and I'm proud to say that that project actually has gone into clinical trials right now. The management is one thing that really has helped us in terms of the company to grow and develop themselves, but also the cohesiveness of the folks in CPR. I also managed to develop myself as a scientist and also to develop new drugs. And CPR is really a great place to be in.
You need a team that is very united, committed to that long and arduous journey. And I feel that CPR has that mix of people who are committed to try their best to make innovative products.
I work with researchers from Japan, Singapore, and other countries. With each interaction with this diverse group of scientists, brings in fresh insights to medical research. When I see videos of patients or letters sent by them telling us the appreciation that to the work we put in, it makes me feel valued. I think it's really about team efforts in CPR. So while the researchers are doing groundbreaking medical solutions, at the back end, other departments such as HR, finance, and even IP, they all play an equally important role. There are new challenges every day, and I think we should keep ourselves updated to what's out there and embrace changes as well as remain flexible in our approaches. It's the culture that we have built that will keep CPR strong for many more 10 years.
Drug discovery is a very complex and segmented process. So because CPR is a small organization, unlike CHUGAI itself, not all the systems required for drug discovery are available. And collaborating with the Singapore science ecosystem is also essential to efficiently advance our drug discovery. Since joining CPR back in 2017, I have been working on strengthening biology and pharmacology. Today, antibody technology and biology have been successfully integrated. I think that we have become an organization that can create a drug discovery project from scratch by ourselves. Our mission is to create innovative drug against the disease with high unmet medical needs for the human health around the world. We also want to become a top innovator to realize advanced and sustainable patient-centric healthcare with our unique strengths in science and technology. Our 10 years of drug discovery remains dedicated to achieving this mission. We have our highly diverse team who has an inclusive mindset to achieve this mission. We strive to contribute to society in addition to delivering drugs to the patient. We have been sharing our science and technology with researchers and students in Singapore, such as holding antibody symposium and lectures at universities. Our mission to contribute to global health will remain unchanged for the next 10 years. We are probably changing our methods and are constantly working to improve our own drug discovery processes.
Every droplet carries the hope for a better life for patients. Every droplet also represents us, fulfilling our purpose. We speak up to support our cause. We check the fine print to protect the study. We motivate one another when the going gets tough. And we'll try again if it doesn't work. Doing it all on repeat for life. For life in every droplet.